Channel 5, D.C.'s first television station, went on the air back in 1945, downtown on the 10th floor of the Hotel Harrington. We broadcasted picture and sound from this tiny antenna on the hotel roof. Obviously, things have changed a great deal since then, as we now look at our 5 seconds left. All right, count it down.
Let's come back out here live in just a couple seconds here. Let's go ahead and count down and take a live look here. Let's press it. Here we go. Flip. Go ahead. Flip the switch.
And that will ensure that they do get a good reception.
Sounds good, Bob. Well, I think we're just about ready anytime for history.
Well, here it goes. We're going to sign off the analog for good. Good night.
As they count down on the clock there, you can see on the upper right-hand side of your screen, we're now down to 10 seconds and counting. So in about 5 seconds, this switch will take place. Analog television is going away in 3, 2, 1. We are now in digital television. From this point forward, there will no longer
All right, now let's head back to Mark in Master Control for the highly anticipated switch. Mark?
Faye, this is kind of exciting. It's like being Dick Clark at Times Square on New Year's Eve, except now we're going to be switching to digital. So I'm going to say to Herb up at our tower and to Andy, let's flip the switch right now.
Lloyd, I'm going to turn a moment to you and ask you to do the honors. You built this transmitter in August of '88. We'll ask you to shut it off. So if you do that, Lloyd. Now is the good.
Is it time to flip the switch?
Yay!
Is it time?
Is it?
I think so. Okay, everybody. At the end of 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There it is.
And there it
In digital, channel 7 on the VHF channel. You'll have to rescan to find that channel again.
That's the name of the game. Rescan. Okay, are we ready at this point? Let's do it.
This is a change in the way we communicate, and in about 10 seconds, the old analog way that has ushered in television for the last 60 to 70 years will be no more. We're going to count down to 4, 3. Bill Beam is going to push the button over here. 2, 1. Bill, push the button.
We're honored to have you back to flip the switch to turn that analog signal off, the signal that you turned on back in 1949. All right, here we go. We have a countdown. Neil Mazer here, supervising this process. I want you to put your finger right there. Here we go. 5. Well, let us just say 4. This is
WAGA,
3,
Atlanta, Georgia.
2.
Signing off.
1. Hit it.
We're wanting to kill this thing now, so we're getting down to how much time do we have, Charlie? 30 seconds. Okay, we're going to kill this thing here in how many seconds? Let's do a countdown here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And that's when all the DTV gurus will be transitioning, and then we'll be up running on all digital television broadcasting from this very location. So here's the big question. Are you ready? We're about to push it right now, and this will power down analog forever. Here it comes.
All right, here's the time for the big switch. We have our retired engineer, Raymond Kinney. He is now going to be turning off the analog. And we see Charlie Lana, our engineer.
And we're just making sure we're getting everything right, sure that it is off exactly like it should be, and we are almost there according to what we hear, just clicking. So you should still be seeing us no matter what, and of course if you do see us right now, that's most likely a good thing. That means you already have your box and everything set up. So we're still working out right now exactly our switch.
We thank you for watching Fox 8 News for this very historic occasion. We are going to be saying goodbye to the analog signal and hello to the digital. We're less than 10 seconds away, so we're going to toss it over to Jim Snell, who's going to push the big button for us. Don't forget to rescan. We say goodbye to analog, hello digital. Punch it.
Look at what happens here. What happens over there is what stays on the air. Frank Torbert is here. He's our chief engineer. I'm going to count you down, right, to the switch. All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Terrell, it's time for Juan to flip the switch and say goodbye to analog television.
All right, let's get this drum roll, please. Juan, it is now time to make the big switch to digital right about now. Go for it.
How much history we can make here, but we've had this signal on the air in the Palm Beaches for over 50 years, and we're coming up right at 5:45 right now. So we'll do a little countdown here, and we'll go 5, 4, 3.
Now it's time. Let's do it. Are you ready?
I think you're going to have a talk. Okay. I'm ready.
Don't hit the wrong button.
I want that. So here's what we're doing.
Okay.
If you're watching WRAL TV Channel 5 analog over the air right now with an antenna, we're turning her off. She's going to be gone. So then you're going to start watching WRAL on digital, right? So we're going to turn off the analog.
Let me step out of the way.
I'm going to do one and you do one. I'm going to turn off the plate voltage and you're going to turn off the film. I'm going to turn off plate.
We make this transition, Don, from analog television to digital TV. So go ahead and flip that switch for us.
Gary Piercy tells me this is the thing I'm supposed to push. That's a little hard. I need some help. Ray Moore, can you no, come on, please. This is the guy who taught me everything I know about television. And the producer is saying, we got to hurry, Ray.
That's right.
So I need your help to push this thing. You grab a hold of it there, I'll grab a hold of it here. And everybody ready? Here we go.
We're in master control. This is the moment of truth. Vice President of Engineering Jerry Michaels, the guy over on the phone there. And right here, the man that's going to pull the switch is Ken Tonning, our general manager at 10 Connect. So I think it's about time. Ken, do the honors.
All right, here we go.
Just a few seconds. Yeah. Okay, which one's the off button?
So let's see, there are 3 buttons there. There's a local, there's an off, there's an on. Which one will we be pushing?
I hope it's the off.
Okay, that would be the red button.
The red button.
All right, this is amazing. This is right now, that is our analog transmitter. It has been up and running for about how long, guys? Doug? 14 years this one has been giving us great power.
That's great.
And you've been retired 17 years.
Right, I'm in and out.
Well, we are ready.
I'll be back.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.